This user wanted to highlight any items that appeared on multiple tabs. So by that they mean, down here at the bottom, they have this list of tabs, and they want to highlight in column B of each tab any items that appear on more than one tab. Let's take a look at one way we can use conditional formatting and a helper sheet to accomplish this. So, happy day, the user actually provided their own spreadsheet. So here's my copy of it. It looks like they have health studies, I believe this is. And let's look at one of the actual sheets they're looking at. They have these IDs, and these IDs appear in column B of each sheet. So on each sheet, they want to highlight any of the IDs that appear in any other sheet. That's what we're looking to do. All right. So normal way, format, conditional formatting, and if I am looking to find a match between this sheet and another sheet, let me go ahead and copy this sheet name. Then I would do a custom formula using the COUNTIF function. If we are referencing another sheet in conditional formatting, we have to use the indirect function to access it. It's just the rules, that's how it works. 2, 3, 2 greater than 1. Alright. So this finds any, so you can see it found one here and one here where these two IDs appear in this sheet here. Now, if I want to do this over multiple sheets, I have to stack the references inside of COUNTIF, and all of those are going to require indirect, and I'm going to need to do that for each sheet in each sheet. 1, that's really tedious. 2, that's very error prone, because if I'm trying to skip sheet names, if I'm trying to not use this sheet name in this conditional formatting rule, but then on this sheet here, I'm trying to do the same thing, not use this sheet name in this conditional formatting rule, it gets really hard, really fast to keep track of that. And the indirect function is a little bit more resource intensive than some of the other ones. So I do not want to go that way of just stacking them inside of the rule. Instead, I'm going to go ahead and make a new sheet, and let's just call this helper sheet. A helper sheet, a helper column, is something that you do, something that you make to help the process along. We don't actually care about the data in here. This isn't something we're displaying. This is a process to get to an end result, and we can hide it later. All right? So I'm just going to go ahead and call this column A IDs, and then I'm going to pull in, I'm going to do the stack on this column here. All right? This one's going to be a little bit tedious, but it is what it is. And this is going to be, I guess I don't need the indirect here, so that's nice. So range 1 is going to be this. All those. Range 2. And VSTACK is nice because we can just go all the way down. All right, now that brings over all of the data from column B of each of those sheets. Okay, now that I have this, I can just go ahead and reference this column of this sheet on every single one of these tabs instead of having to reference each sheet individually. So instead of looking at search text Filipino clinical, I'm going to look in helper sheet A through A. And now it's going to say yes because it's finding every single one of these there. Obviously it's finding every single one of those there. The data in the helper sheet is all the data on each of the sheets. So instead of just saying, is it there, I'm going to say, is there more than one instance? because if there's more than one instance, then that means that it is on this sheet and one of the other sheets here. So I'm simply going to add is greater than 1. And now, hey, there we go. Now we can see, all right, this one appears twice. Excellent. This one, oh, this one appears a couple of times. Now, I don't currently have sheet names coming onto this. I'm sure there would be a way to find that, but let's just go look. So, okay, so here is this ID number appears on the Filipino Clinical and on the Asian Clinical. And we know that because, again, on our COUNTIF, we're saying not just does it exist, but does it appear more than once. So if you're dealing with multiple sheets and you need to count stuff across those sheets, this is a really good approach to that. Bring all the data into a single sheet and then count from there. One thing I'm going to do to tidy this up a little bit is I'm going to put the query function around this and say select all where column 1 is not null. And the reason I'm going to do that is that I don't have those enormous breaks. Now it just goes all the way down to row 823, whereas before I have a giant break here, a giant break here, a giant break here. There's several giant breaks. So for my use, I would always use a query function around the stack so that I can get it just all together instead of having it spilling over into unnecessary rows. But that's not necessary. That's just a visual nicety I like to put onto stuff. Basic fact, we're using the COUNTIF function. We're pointing it at the helper sheet and we're telling it to count everything that appears more than once.